Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add Cash App to Apple Pay. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. First things first, I need you to open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged in. So if you don't have the app yet, you can go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. And once you're in the app, guys, this is what I want you to do. Okay, tap on the banking icon at the bottom of the screen. It basically looks like a house with a dollar sign. And next, what you want to do is I want you to tap on Add Cash or a card. So if you're adding your Cash App a card to Apple Pay, so this will bring you to your Cash App card details. Okay, you just want to make sure your Cash App card is actually activated and linked to your Cash App account. And if you haven't done that yet, guys, you want to follow the prompts to activate your card. Next one I need you to do, guys, I need you to open up the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. So in the Wallet app, guys, I need you to tap on the plus sign, okay, in the top right corner to basically add a new card. So here, guys, I need you to select, either you select a debit card or a credit card and then choose on add a card. So here you should basically see Cash App listed as one of the available payment methods. And if you don't see it, guys, you want to tap add card or, manually enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, and a CVV. So once you've added the card, guys, okay, once you've added the card, you may be prompted to actually verify it, via an SMS or email. Just complete the verification process, and your Cash App card will successfully be added to Apple Pay, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. And now, you should be able to use Apple Pay to make payments with your Cash App balance, just like any other payment method. So I hope this helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so I can see you guys in the next video.